Have you ever wondered what the world looks like up close? The things we see every day, from the fabrics of our clothes to the surfaces of our skin, are made up of incredibly complex structures. Now imagine being able to zoom in and see these structures in stunning detail, far beyond what the naked eye can perceive. Recently, scientists have been doing just that, and the results have been nothing short of astonishing. Using advanced microscopes, researchers are capturing images of materials with unprecedented clarity. They're revealing intricate patterns and features that were previously hidden, and these discoveries are changing our understanding of how things work. From the smallest particles to the largest structures, the level of detail is simply breathtaking. One of the most exciting areas of research involves the study of materials at the nanoscale. This is where the magic really happens. As scientists explore the behavior of matter at the atomic and molecular levels, they're discovering new properties and phenomena that could revolutionize everything from medicine to manufacturing. For example, researchers are studying the structure of carbon nanotubes, which are incredibly strong and lightweight materials. They're also examining the properties of graphene, a single-layer sheet of carbon atoms that is both flexible and conductive. These materials have the potential to transform a wide range of industries, from electronics to aerospace. Another area of intense focus is the study of biological materials. Scientists are using advanced microscopes to examine the structures of cells, tissues, and even viruses. They're uncovering the secrets of how these complex systems function. And this knowledge is leading to new treatments for diseases and a deeper understanding of life itself. The images captured by these microscopes are often works of art. The colors, textures, and patterns are simply mesmerizing. They offer a glimpse into a world that is usually invisible to us, and they remind us of the incredible complexity and beauty of the universe. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more stunning discoveries. Scientists are constantly developing new and improved microscopes that will allow us to see the world in even greater detail. This ongoing research is not just about expanding our knowledge, it's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible.